Nagtatawa mo. Nag-iisip pag ano. Kala ko wala nag-iisip.
Okay, magandang hapon po mga kalingap. Yan, nandito po kami ni Roda Mix Vlog. Yan, shout out po kay Roda Mix Vlog. Paki-support po. Roda Mix Vlog po ang kasama natin ngayon na magbibigay po ng ayuda sa mga senior citizen. And syempre, salamat po kay Ma'am Arlene O'Neill na nag-sponsor po sa atin ng mga pamigay sa mga senior citizen. So, as a kalingap partner yan, ito po yung ating gagampanan. Ang puntahan po ang mga hindi na napupuntahan na mga senior citizen at bigyan po natin ng ayuda, bigas. Yan. Tara! Upang maabot ang mga pangarap, isang ordinaryong empleyado, kahit minaliit tutulong sa tao, tubong Pampanga na lagi nandito, Kuya Mel ang kasama nyo. Okay po, yan, 25 kilos na bigas po. So, mga kalingap, yan. Ito po yung daan papunta kila Lola Pat. So, si Lola Pat po yung una natin pupuntahan ngayon para dalhan po natin ng ayuda, bigas. At yung kanyang favorite na tinato. Yan. Pero, hindi naman po siya ganun kalayuan. So, yun po, nakikita ko na po si Lola Pat. Yan. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Arlene O'Neill. Yan. At syempre, sa Team Baby Rabay, hiningal na naman po tayo, anak ko. Munting na tayo madulas. Okay. Anak niya si James, Jamila na taga-edit ng kanyang mga video, kanyang apo na si Gia na taga-sayaw, alagang asot pusa, lagi din nandito. Kaya dito ka na. Medyo mabigat po. Kuya Mel, makakaasa ka. Kuya Mel, makakaasa ka. Makakasiguro ka sa pagtulong sa mga kapwa, pagtulong sa mga kababayan, at hindi kayo hahayaan, at hindi kayo pababayaan, kasangga at inyong kaagapay. Kuya Mel. Gandang hapon po. Lola Pat. Lola Pat. Ako po. Magandang hapon. Ayan po si Lola Pat. Yan Lola Pat, oh. Oh, ay. Ay. Ay, grabe. Kamusta po? So ayan Lola Pat, may pasalubong ako sa'yo. Bigas. Yan, siyempre, meron tayong konting meron tayong konting pang ulam. Ayan. Ayan. Ay. Dito ka po, dito ka po. Ayan, noodles. Ayan, dito ka po, dito. Ayan, sige, dyan kayo. Ayusin natin. Siyempre, may dala akong paborito mong tinapay, Lola Pat. Ito, oh. Yan. Hindi, malambot.
Yan.
Yan. Siyempre, ito po yung bigas. Bigay ni Ma'am Arlene O'Neill. Ma'am Arlene O'Neill. Yan, ito po guys. 25 kilos. So, yan po Lola Pat, kamusta ka na po? Yan, meron ka po ditong mga dilata at saka noodles po. Konting pang ulam. Oh, may karne norte po dyan. Opo. Karne. Gusto niyo yung karne sa susunod? Baboy. Luto na. Sige. Sa susunod po magdadala tayo ng karne ng baboy, yung luto na. Yan. Teka lang, Lola Pat. Hiningal ako ay. Yan. Yan, lagay muna natin dito to, Lola Pat ha. Sabit ko lang ha. Yan, para marinig ka po. Yan, it's a mic. It's a mic. That's okay. That's a mic. How are you now?
Good, fine.
Good, fine. Yeah. Are you happy?
Of course, you are there.
Agoy, ginoo ko. Ayan. So, do you like the bread that I buy it for you? Oh, good. Milk. Do you have lots of milk, di ba? Do you have lots of milk? Plenty of milk, di ba? Milk. Milk.
You.
Yeah. No, milk.
What?
The milk. Powdered milk bear brand.
Ah,
And you make saw-saw-saw-saw na tinapay. Di ba? You make saw-saw-saw-saw na tinapay so that it's delicious. Di ba? Di ba favorite mo po yan?
delicious.
Oh. So, how are you now?
Fine.
Are you feeling great?
Fine.
Fine.
Fine, good.
Good. Yeah, that's good. Yan. Thank you, Lord. Yan. So, are you happy that you see us again?
No.
Why?
Yes.
Yes, of course. And we, yeah, here.
Who did that?
Yan. Arlene O'Neill.
From you.
No, from Ma'am Arlene O'Neill.
You are the one who got it.
Yeah. Yan. Yan. And of course, also, we are the representative of Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Team Kalingap partner.
Where is he?
He is busy right now doing his programs.
What kind of program?
Charity. Yeah. So, we are here because, di ba, we told you na, na we're coming back. We told you na we're coming back again to give you something. Di ba? Here we are now.
It depends upon you what you like.
Oh.
But I couldn't cook. But you are doing
Why?
so good.
Why?
Kung ako magsasabi, that against naman in your mind.
Okay. Now I understand. But we are here now, visiting you again.
Very, very good.
Very, very good. That's good. Yeah, that's what I like. Yeah. See?
Magkain na kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Saan ka kumain?
Yan, sa bahay po, sa bahay. Yan, so, how's your leg? It's dry now. Yeah, did you buy your medicine?
Of course.
Very good. Yan. Okay, tuyo na po, mga kalingap, no? Yan, tuyo na po. Yan. And, wala pong pinagbago si Lola Patricia. Siya pa rin po yung ating Ingleserang Lola na masiyahin. Yan.
Thank you.
Oh, imagine. Thank you, Lola Pat. So, happy to see you again. Diba?
Always. Not happy, not again.
Yeah. I'm always happy to see you. Diba?
As soon as I hear your name,
Oh, what's my name?
I don't know.
I am Kuya Mail.
What?
Kuya Mail.
Ano ang
In the glass. Yeah.
ano ang dikaan may ka?
Yeah. With the flower.
There's the
Yeah. Oh, remember, di ba? Do you
I
remember?
don't know you are that one.
I am the one.
You are the one.
Yan.
Ugly.
No, it's handsome. Handsome. Handsome.
Ay, asam.
Maybe.
Ay,
Maybe. How about her? Is she beautiful?
of course.
Of course. Wow. It's like you.
The beautifulest I meet.
Oh.
But only now.
But only now. Why?
Where do you come from?
We came from Daet, Camarines Norte.
In what time?
Maybe after lunch, 1 p.m.
1 kilo.
1 p.m. Yeah.
What's your time?
It's 2:45 p.m. Yes. So, I'm glad you like the bread, no?
Bilis na yun, lugaw.
There's no lugaw right now. No lugaw because we have we have a short time. Yeah. Maybe next time, yeah, morning I will bring lugaw. Yan. But now you have a lot of di ba, gatas? The Bear Brand, no? Where?
But thanks to God.
Ha?
Thanks to God.
Yeah.
All what you are doing to me.
Yeah, God first. Yan. Thanks be to God. Yeah, okay po yan. Yeah, so ayan po, meron kayong mga noodles dito. Pag nagugutom po kayo, magpa-luto lang kayo kay Baby Lynn.
Ala ko lugaw.
Wala po. I promise next time. When I
Sasalubuhin to promise.
the lugaw.
Lugaw.
Yeah.
But right now,
No lugaw right now because we have a short of time. Yan, that's why only this one. Yan. And your bread, your favorite. I know that's your favorite. You will saw daw to the gatas eh.
I'm only joking.
Ha?
I'm only joking.
Oh yeah, all right. Thank you.
I live at my son.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you for that. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. Because I'm handsome. I
You
know.
are pahit.
No. I'm handsome.
Ay, handsome.
Yes.
Very
Yeah.
good.
I am handsome. That's why you like me, di ba? You know, you have tissue?
What?
Tissue paper.
Yes.
My nose is bleeding again. Ayan. So, what are you doing before we came?
What?
What are you doing here? Are you, yeah? Ah, okay. All right. So, I'm glad that you are happy, no?
Happy everyone. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
What?
You're a good.
Oh, no! Yeah, I know. That's your dog joking. I know that I'm handsome. Oh. I know that I'm handsome. I know that.
That's your photo. All handsome.
Yes. And of course, you know her name? Yan. She's Roda Mix Vlog. Roda Mix Vlog.
Roda
Mix
Miss
Vlog.
Blood.
Yes. Yan.
Roda.
Mix. Roda Mix.
That blood is the blood dugo.
Yeah. Yan. Yan, I know that if Kuya Bal Santos Matubang will watch this video, he will be very happy to see you, that you are in good condition, very happy, always smiling, and of course the tag that you have, the Englisherang Lola. Oh, di ba?
But I'm now old.
Yeah, it's okay. Yan. Yeah. Yeah, you're old. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. No, but your heart is still young. Diba? You're young at heart because you're always smiling. Diba? Always be happy. Oh.
Every
Every
time.
time.
3 times a day.
Okay.
What is that? What are that? 3 times a day.
Yan. Ayan po, yan mga kalingap, yan po si Lola Pat, no? Si Lola Pat. Yan ano po masasabi mo na lagi na kitang nadadalaw ngayon?
Ha?
Ano po masasabi mo na lagi
Wala
kitang
akong masabi. possible, God.
Yes. Thanks be to God.
God. God bless all.
Yes. Yan.
Everything we are doing, God first.
Yes.
God first.
Oo.
Ah,
Yan. Ano po masasabi mo sa mga taga-suporta mo po na laging nakasubaybay sa iyo?
ano, dadalangin ko na lagi ko always maano ng God, sana ka ba pumunta, susubaybay, hindi sila aalan.
Yan. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan, hindi po nakakalimot si Kalinga Prab, si Kuya Bal Santos Matubang sa inyo. Yan, nagkataon lang po na busy at saka nandito po kami mga Kalinga partners na pogi at maganda para bumisita sa iyo.
Ano, siya para din. Siya.
Po?
Siya para din. Ano, ay para din siya.
Opo.
Yan.
Ayun po. Yung si Kuya Bal po at kami ay parang iisa lang din po. Yan.
Kaya hindi ko na dahil ulit-ulit siya.
Opo. Kaya kami po yung nagpupunta. Yes po. Yan. Ang galing ni Lola Pat.
Yeah.
Yan.
Sana man awa ng Panginoon, hindi lang pa ako tandaan.
Ay, hindi lang. 1,000 years. 1,000 years, Lola Pat. 1,000 years.
Hanggang 87.
Oh, malayo pa dahil 1,000 years ang ibibigay sa iyo ni Lord. O, di ba? 1,000 years yan. Ayan. Opo, 1,000 years. Yan. Gusto ko nakikita yung yung tawa nyo ay. Paano yung tawa na masaya, Lola Pat? Paano po yung tawa na masaya?
Awan.
Oh, tawa.
Saya talaga ni Luna.
Oh, di ba? So, yun mga kalingap, ayan po si Lola Pat. Muli na naman po natin siya nakita.
Yan ang tawa ng parang always very happy.
Yes.
At kung na remember, always.
Oh yeah, thank you po Lola Pat. Yan yan po, dapat lagi po tayo maging masaya, lagi tayo magpasalamat sa Panginoon na tayo nabibigyan ng mahabang buhay at bibigyan pa tayo ng mahabang buhay.
Sa ating pagpipray.
Opo, pagpipray dahil sa pagpipray. Di po ba?
Always remember God first of all.
Yes. So, ayun po, Lola Pat. Hindi na po kami magtatagal, baka abutan kami ng ulan. So, ayan po. Yan, maraming salamat po sa bigay po ni Ma'am Arlene O'Neil. Ayan po. Yan, kay Ma'am Arlene O'Neil po. Opo, kay Ma'am Arlene O'Neil. Yan. Siya po yung nagbigay sa inyo.
Ano yun? English, Tagalog.
English. Opo. Yes po, yan. From US. Yeah, from US. You can say thank you to Miss Arlene O'Neil.
Ma'am, they'll not thank you for the resolution.
Yan. Thank you rin po, Lola Pat. Yan. Okay po mga kalingap. Yan ang lagi sinasabi ni Kuya Mel, ang gumagawa na mabuti sa kapwa ay pinagpapala. Yan. Shout out po kay Ma'am Arlene, kay Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Aterno Vlogs, and Kalinga Prab. And of course, kay Roda Mix Vlog. Yan. Kay Kuya Mel at si Lola Pat. Bye-bye po, Lola Pat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless. Yes. Thank you.
And special power boost.
Yep. Boss Bal Santos Matubang. Okay, bye-bye po Lola Pat. Bye-bye. Yan po mga kalingap. Yan, maraming salamat po sa mga taga-subaybay ni Lola Patricia. Huwag po kayo magsawa na sumubaybay at tumulong po sa mga beneficiary po ng kalingap. Yan, lalong-lalo na po sa mga senior citizen. Yan, maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.